In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change password in Odoo. If you want to update your login security, the process is quick once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I will guide you through each screen and each field so you can follow along without confusion. First, log into your Odoo account. Take a moment to make sure you are entering your correct login details and then complete the sign-in so you can access your profile settings. Once you are successfully logged in, you are ready to move to the next part, where Odoo lets you manage your security options. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile icon or your name. Click on that profile icon or name to open a small menu. This menu is where Odoo groups personal options, and selecting it is the key step that leads you to the password settings. From the menu that appears, select My Profile or Preferences. The wording can vary depending on your Odoo version and layout, but the goal is the same. You want to open the page where your account details and settings are managed. Go ahead and click the option that matches My Profile or Preferences and wait for the profile page to load. Now, once you are in your profile area, you should see several tabs or sections. Click on the Account Security tab. This tab is specifically designed for login and security settings, which is why it is important not to stay on the general profile information screen. By choosing Account Security, you will be taken directly to the controls related to passwords. After you open the Account Security tab, find the Change Password button. This button is usually clearly labeled and placed near the password section. Click Change Password to start the password update process. This is where Odoo will prompt you for the information it needs to verify your identity and apply the change. At this point, you will be asked to enter your current password. This is your existing password, the one you used to sign in. Type it carefully into the current password field. If you are not sure about capitalization or spelling, take a moment to confirm, because entering the wrong current password will prevent Odoo from allowing the update. Next, you will enter your new password. Use a strong password that you can remember, and make sure it matches any password requirements shown on the screen. As you type, pay attention to the field labels so you know you are entering the new password into the correct box. This step matters because Odoo will use exactly what you enter as your new login credential. Finally, once both the current password and the new password are entered, click Change Password to confirm. After you do this, Odoo should update your account security settings. If the change is successful, you may see a confirmation message or the page may refresh. At this stage, you can continue using Odoo with your new password for future logins. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.